Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. Today we have the KAUAI Silicone Ring. This is one of the top sellers on Amazon, and you may want to check out. We're actually doing a couple comparisons with some silicone rings out there. Now, I don't wear a silicone ring normally, but I'm going to test them out. One of the biggest things is that, water gets under it, they start to stink. So there's some other brands out there that have things that have designs that let air flow through so that doesn't happen, like the Groove Life. But this is about $7 or so, whereas the other ones are around $30+ depending on what you want. But this is how it comes, just like this, and ordered it with their ring sizing chart that they had, printed it out and checked it against my normal ring. But there it is. It has like a little logo on it, their little logo, and nothing else. There's nothing inside that I can see here. No special designs or anything. It's pretty much just a straight piece of silicone, and you'll see right on there. Very, very simple design. They did have some other colors that you could choose from, but depending on what you want. Now, supposedly the silicone rings are really good for people that work in possibly dangerous situations that have, real jewelry on. So the silicone makes it a lot more safe. And then also, if you're going somewhere and you're worrying about having expensive jewelry on, you can just switch it out for this, and then they still know that you're married. But pretty straightforward. I'm gonna test those out. But that's what's in the box of the KAUAI ring, maybe. But again, you can check that out on Amazon. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here on YouTube, and we'll see you soon.